Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for good meme coins to start investing in? Then you came to the right video because we will be covering that in the next few minutes. First of all, this video is not financial advice, it's only for educational purposes, and let's dive deep into the topic. So guys, we start this video with the first coin. We have WSM. What's WSM? It's Wall Street meme. So as you can see here, it's a pretty quirky website with a lot of memes and a lot of fun. So it's a meme coin. What's a meme coin in the first place? Well, meme coin started with a big coin right now. It's called Dogecoin. That was a rival for Bitcoin in the day and started to make fun of Bitcoin. And people just suddenly got excited and interested about Dogecoin, and then it went to the roof. We'll get into that later, but as you can see here, WSM is quite a good potential as well. You can buy it here, you can connect your wallet, you can just get started quite easily, and it's available on major exchanges. Here you will find it at OQX, and you can find it on also KuCoin, HTX, and you will find it quite available and quite easily with major names in the market. So you can stake and earn reward, you can get gaming net revenue also and buy back. So it's kind of a meme coin, and it's starting to give some potential for a massive bull run. As you can see here, total supply is also increasing. That means that things can be quite exponential in the market, and things can go wild. As you can see here, that's the burn rate, that's the accumulation, that's the community, how and when and why to buy it. Everything also is listed here, and everything also is listed in the description down below, so you can understand it more and get more about it. But generally speaking here, that can present itself as a very good opportunity for you if you wish to consider or if you wish to invest. And let's go to the next one here, which is Meme Compact. Here it's kind of a stake, play and get rewards. It's also a little funny childish game, but you can also have it here. You can expect a price increase into 0.225 in 4 days, 5 hours and 4 minutes. So every time interval they increase the price, and as you can see here, they are raising USDT as well. And choose your currency and then you're good to go. Of course, also it has a very good potential as a meme coin, so you never know what's gonna happen with meme coins. It can go absolutely crazy, or it can go sideways for a while until the market picks up. So as you can see here, that can also present itself as a good opportunity, and if you like these kind of cartoonish things, can be a fun thing to hold or a fun thing to accumulate. And as you can see here, everything also is linked down below, and everything is in front of you in terms of tokenomics and how things are moving and how things are well laid out in front of you. That's also the roadmap, so you can understand more what they're on about and what's their plan for the future. And here also you can have a look at the team, and some of them also link their LinkedIn, so you can understand that they are real people. It's not just a sketchy thing, so you can get in touch even and understand it more and ask any question you might need into for this game or for this meme coin. You can just get in touch and ask things. So going here to crypto market cap, I want to show you also something rather important, because the next one here I have for you is PepeCoin. Of course you heard about PepeCoin. Here is PepeCoin. It's currently sitting number 93 on the crypto market cap, with a market cap of nearly around $500 million of market cap. Well, $500 million of market cap, that's nothing still. That's literally nothing for now. It can go crazy, it can double, it can quadruple, it can 10x, it can 20x. Things, I mean, the sky's the limit here. PepeCoin is currently trading at 0.00000 some few zeros, 116. That means that PepeCoin is still very small, and it can go absolutely crazy. So it might be a good opportunity for you to look at it. And also, if you open the chart here, you will find that PepeCoin last year, it made absolutely crazy stuff. As you can see here, the price went skyrocketing in a matter of few days, and then of course it normalizes again, goes back sideways. So we're following the market right now, but when the next move happens, I do believe that this all-time high, it will be looking like a midget next to what's gonna happen next. So that's PepeCoin, and let's go to the most important one. The most important one, of course, is Dogecoin. Dogecoin, I don't need to talk much about Dogecoin. Dogecoin started life as a meme, as fun, making fun of Bitcoin, and things started to get serious, of course, from there. Dogecoin currently, as we speak, is the number 9 spot on the crypto market cap. You understand what's 9th spot? It's a top 10 currency. It's not even number 10 spot, it's a number 9 spot. And even previously, it reached number 6, it reached number 7, It was number 5 momentarily at least. Things with this coin can be quite lucrative. As you can see here, $11 billion of market cap. $11 billion of market cap, that's a GDP for some small countries. So Dogecoin here can be quite amazing in terms of how it moves. As you can see, for years and years and years, September 14th, and I bought, me personally at least, I bought around here 17, 16, and then I just forgot about it. Look at that move. That move here was caused by Mr. Elon Musk when he tweeted about Dogecoin and he said that he's in support of Dogecoin. Things went parabolically crazy and it went nearly touching 72 cents. 72 cents is just, I mean, imagine how many coins you had here and just all of a sudden it's nearly $1 per coin. So many people were millionaires, many people made a lot of money with this coin, and then of course it collapsed again and just going sideways. So we're preparing for the next move, and the next move will be quite big. So far Dogecoin is being used in many utility. It's used or being exchanged on multiple cryptocurrency exchanges, so it's well known, it's well respected, and it's also backed up by Mr. Elon Musk. So I do believe that Dogecoin can be quite lucrative, and once things start moving, this coin will be quite great and it will most likely get you a lot of return of investment. Of course, I'm not encouraging you to invest right away, but I would say Dogecoin is something to consider. Everything also is linked down below in the description to understand it more and to see what's going on. So that's it for now, and see you next time. So guys, in a nutshell, we talked about meme coins that you might need to consider if you want to catch the bull run. Of course, things in the market are starting to move, so it might be a good opportunity for you to at least educate yourself. Everything is linked down below in the description. Feel free to understand it more, get acquainted with the whole idea of meme coins. Can be a massive opportunity for many people, so feel free to educate yourself more about it. And of course, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, leave any comment you might have in the comment section down below, and until next time, bye.